So guys, this video we are going to do this day 4 challenge of the Advent of Cyber 2 from TryHackMe. So this is about the fuzzing. So fuzzing is a fancy brute forcing to some degree. So we have already seen the fuzzing in previous videos, and we had already seen this GoBuster. So GoBuster is used to brute force the directories and also the files. So this is for the theory they have given to read example.com and backups and the URL. If it contains the correct URL, you will get the response code as 200, otherwise you will get the 404 error. So these are some word list. You can check that out in the setlist GitHub repository. So these are the arguments GoBuster take: U for URL, word list, and the extensions. So they have also mentioned this new tool, that is the WFuzz or WebFuzz. So what this tool does is it will do the same thing as a GoBuster. So WFuzz and C for color and Z to indicate the file, and you need to specify the word list file, and then you need to specify the URL. So one thing you need to notice is WFuzz needs a first point. So you need to say which directory you want to brute force, which placeholder or which first point. You can see here the URL localhost :80 and capital FUZZ. That is the first. So this WFuzz will take every word in this big.txt and try to place it in the place of this fuzz and try to send the request to the server. If you got the response correct, then this URL exists, otherwise no. So this is the first point for this WFuzz. So this is the description of this WFuzz. You can see -d, you can specify the parameters you want to fuzz. That is they have given this example: WFuzz C, Z, and file word list or text file, and we need to specify the parameters, username and the password. So you can also do the brute forcing of the username and the password for the login pages. So let's do this challenge. I highly recommend you to read all this series to get started with this fuzzing. So just this is the deploying, and they have given this shipes.xyz, but they are saying not to run the tool against that. So you can write this answer: WFuzz -c Z file, and you need to say the word list.txt file and the direct URL. First I have answered this using this -d option, but then I compare the answer length, so it's very less, so that's why I have put this one. Then I got the correct answer. So now we are going to use this GoBuster against the target I have deployed here. So if you go to this website, it says you have been defaced, your forms are gone. So we need to find some subdirectories for this website, and we are going to do that using the GoBuster. And you can say GoBuster and dir for directory brute forcing, and you need to specify the -u for URL and copy paste the IP address here. So you need to specify the word list, and it's in USR share word list, and let's use this DirBusters. So let's start with this small text file. And what they have been asking is to include some extensions. So let's also include the PHP files and the HTML files, and hit enter. So we got the index.html, which is the default page. So we have got the directory API. So let's check it out, /API. So we have this siterock.php. Open this in new tab. Let's go to parent directory. So the parent directory is index.html. So let's go back. So let's see what is in the siterock.php. There is nothing. Press Ctrl U to get the page source. So there is an empty file. Okay, they are asking what API directory. So what's the file name in this API directory, which is siterock.php, and we need to first the date parameter on the file you found in the API directory. What is the flag displayed in the correct push? So you need to send so all you need to do is we need to check date is equals to like 2020. So you need to give in this year, month and date format. If you hit enter on some particular date, you will get the flag. So if you want to try manually, it will take so much long. So they have given this wordish.txt file available for download. Click on this. So I have already downloaded this one. I have saved it into dates.txt file. So we have all dates here. We can also create our own word list with the Python. So I will make another video on it, creating the word list of dates. So these are the dates they have given. So we need to try this. So I have already copied it into my Parrot OS. So let's go and use this wfuzz. Wfuzz color and use the file which is dates.txt. So I am specifying the file dates.txt which is in my home directory, and now I am going to specify the parameters, which is date is equals to, and now we need to say fuzz. So this is the first point. So this wfuzz takes all the values in the dates.txt and replace it with the fuzz instead of fuzz, and it will try to send each and every request with this dates.txt, and we need to specify the URL http:// so let's copy this only. We now need to copy this parameter and paste it in here. So okay, we are good to go, and hit enter. So could not resolve HTTP. Okay, we put the 2 HTTP. So now hit enter. You can see these are the response codes 200. Okay, and lines 0 words, 0 characters. So we have no output when we send the request with this payload, that is with this word list. And if you scroll down, you can see for 20201125 you will get this one word that is 13 characters. So let's copy this and let's go to that date, paste it in and hit enter. Now we have got the flag, and you can simply copy this and paste it in here. So that's all about this day 4 challenge. We have learned how to fuzz using the GoBuster and wfuzz.